guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lauren, and today I'm going to be doing an Amazon clothing review. So I've been seeing people make videos of like reviewing different online clothing stores or just like online stores that sell clothes as well. And I had 3 dresses from Amazon that I got last year. I don't know when, so I thought I would try them on and show you guys what they look like. I just wanted to do an Amazon clothing review just to show you guys how the clothes that I got turned out. I'm pretty sure all 3 of the dresses that I got are like pretty good quality, and I like them all, obviously, because I kept them. But I did get one dress in the past. I've only bought dresses from Amazon. That's kind of weird. I mean, like clothing wise. I buy all sorts of stuff from Amazon. But the very first dress I got, it was like a formal dress. I didn't think it would work out, but I just wanted to see. Didn't work out. It was awful. I sent it back. I do not have it anymore. But I thought I'd show you guys the clothes that I do have, and I will link them down below if you want to check them out. But I do know that getting clothes, especially on a website like that or like eBay or any other place, is sometimes, you know, kind of like you don't know how it's going to turn out, how the quality is going to be and all that sort of stuff. So I thought I would just show you guys the clothes that I got, and I will go through it with you. So this is the first dress. It is this really lovely like red, maroon, burgundy kind of color. And it's just like a maxi dress straight down. It doesn't really have much to it, but it does have pockets, which I really appreciate in a dress. I was gonna say, I did want to give like kind of little things about like how I would wear the dress, like how I would make an outfit out of it. For the red dress, I think a denim jacket would look really cute with it and just like add a little bit of character and make it like a cute little kind of comfy, casual, but kind of maybe date night outfit or something. I don't know. Yeah, so onto this dress. This is just a plain black dress, and it's cut a little bit differently, but it's still, I would say, a maxi dress. It kind of reminds me of like a beach dress sort of thing that you would wear to the beach or, I don't know, on vacation or something. So I'll show you it now. Okay, so this is the last dress. I would say this one is the more kind of fancier one compared to the other 2, partly because this one has like a design on it and it's a bit more intricate detailing or whatever, and the last 2 are kind of just plain. I've already worn this one and I like it a lot, and I think this one is super pretty. The only thing is, I read in the reviews that it said like, oh, you should size up because like it fits weird, so I sized up and got a large because I usually wear medium, and when I got the large it was way too big, so I had to send it back and get a medium, but now it fits me and I love it. Okay, so that is all for today's video. I'm going to end this video just like holding the camera, so sorry if it's a bit shaky or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I actually really like all 3 of these dresses that I got, and they worked for me and my body type and, you know, my sizes and whatever. That doesn't mean it's going to work for everyone, but you know what? I think, especially Amazon, the way that they handle returns for the most part, it's always worth a go. You know, if you see something you might like, try it and you might like it. That's what happened for me. So I actually happen to like all 3 of these items, you know, and I'm going to wear them. Like I said, I've already worn this one on several occasions and I like it a lot. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more if you haven't already, and until my next video, bye!